My ex-girlfriend's trans grandmom always used to say it's hard to trust a grown-ass man who ain't flaunting a full thick beard. So this two-faced charlatan beardless scammer named Jeet Dalal is now promoting Shilajit.
चूज किया है ऑर्गेनिक इंडिया का शिलाजीत रेजिन.
But before butt fucking this guy using modern science, let's expose this unk's international Karen mindset. When you glance at his recent 5 YouTube videos, the topics are loaded with rage-baited rants, clearly intended for cloud maxing, which deviates from his prime core agenda: train the gym newbie lifters and make videos for gym noobs. The titles are as follows: Why Indian gym bros are weaker than foreign gym bros. Husady ke sunmit gil tere sar pe आंड रख देगा mother chod. Why milk and India can kill you. Jeet Salal, how about will Muslims shoot your damn fucking ass at Bondi Beach? Why Indians are unfit and unhealthy. Seriously bro, try yapping this shit in Haryana, Pookie Bear. Why Indians are weak. So basically, Indians have fucked Jeet Dalal's wazoo so freaking bad that this motherfucker is ranting like a Karen, bitching and rage baiting about India while he's promoting a full-fledged Shilajit scam and his dumb company. Oh my freaking damn, there is one well-controlled study on Shilajit and this too has a ton of limitations. This primary RCT on purified Shilajit involved 45 to 55-year-old healthy volunteers taking 250 milligrams twice daily for 90 days, reporting around 20% rises in total and free testosterone versus placebo. However, no exact baseline or post-treatment values were detailed in abstracts and increases remained within normal ranges without LH-FSH shifts. This modest elevation of testosterone levels does not typically drive physiological adaptations like muscle hypertrophy, which requires supra-physiological levels like greater than 1000 nanogram per deciliter or 30 to 50% plus boost. No high-quality RCTs about Shilajit exist for young healthy volunteers, for example 20 to 30 years of age, where testosterone is at their freaking optimal levels, which limits its significance for peak age, fitness and healthy population in general. Reviews on Shilajit also note small sample sizes, industry funding, biases, and absence of muscle and strength outcomes on healthy volunteers. To add more light on the small sample sizes, the study I cited before had a total participants of just 75. PubMed studies document heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury in raw unpurified Shilajit, often exceeding WHO and FDA limits. This study warns routine use risky without testing, as detox claims by Humix lack strong data. PubMed meta-analysis robustly proved resistance training, sleep optimization, and vitamin D deficient level correction boost testosterone more reliably than Shilajit and healthy men. The aim is to prioritize this over supplements like Shilajit with weak evidence. Props to Jeet Dalal's HSF for exposing Rohit Chauhan, but what about Dion De Silva? The cute-faced lad has trauma worth multiple lifetimes ingrained in his frickin' fucking head thanks to Jeet Dalal's HSF and his frickin' rat acts.
दो ढाई साल हो गए हैं ये फिलहाल सर ने ऐसा किया हुआ है. अभी तक PTSD और ट्रॉमा है दिमाग में, मतलब अभी भी सोचता हूँ उस बारे में, थोड़ा सा ये होता है, फील होता है उस चीज़ की वजह से लाइफ में जनरल डिसीजंस गलत लिया, गलत लोगों को दूर पास कर दिया और अच्छे लोगों को दूर कर दिया, है ना. अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ऑफर्स वगैरह ठुकरा दी थी. क्या कॉन्टेंट बनाऊँ मैं, क्या करूँ यार, लोग तो फिर भी बोलेंगे. ऐसा हो गया था मेरा लाइफ में, ठीक है. अभी मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता ये जो बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर्मा और ये सब के बारे में बात करते हैं, उनको भी तो कभी रिटर्न गिफ्ट मिलता होगा कर्मा का.
Dickhead Jeet called out the entire freaking enhanced community to cloud bait his bus and HSF promo, and this clearly backfired, and you shall know why after watching this damn clip.
आपकी बॉडी नहीं झेल पाएगी इतना, ठीक है। और जो लोग पहुंच रहे हैं ना वहाँ, वो अंदर से खत्म हो गया सब काम। बॉडी बनाने के लिए भी अगर तुमको इंजेक्शंस और स्टेरॉइड्स लेने पड़ रहे हैं ना, तो भाई धिक्कार है तुम्हारे लिए।
Stop worshipping YouTubers like gods, because you never know when they might freaking sell out, and this might hurt your butthole, requiring copious amounts of Bernal to heal it. To conclude, Shilajit is trash, Dickhead Jeet Dalal is two-faced, Rohit Khatri is a damn cuck, and Tarun Gill is actually reviving the Indian fitness industry before GTA 6. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते